Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account so results sync and access to features is unlocked. Open Bing, Com, or the mobile app. Make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled because many tools rely on them. Once done, choose your intent. Are you looking for a quick fact, deep research, images, or conversational help via Bing chat? This choice shapes the interface and available tools, so set it now, and you'll move into targeted workflows without wasted steps. You type a focused query and refine it with quotes for exact phrases or a minus sign to exclude terms, because precise input yields better results. Next, switch modes: web, images, video, news, maps, or chat, depending on the content you need. Each mode surfaces different tools and filters. Make sure to apply time or region filters when relevance matters, and use visual search on images to identify objects or similar photos. As you work, iterate on keywords to quickly narrow down to the best sources. You wrap up by saving important results to collections or bookmarks so they sync to other devices. This preserves context for later. Export citations or copy links when you need to reference sources, and use Share to send findings directly to colleagues or apps. If something breaks, features not loading or chat failing, clear your cache and cookies, update the browser, then sign out and back in. Doing this resolves most sync and feature glitches and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.